Finally, I get to talk about my favorite topic, food. I recommend not to watch this video hungry because it will get mouth-watering. Ich bin Spring German Lehrerin Brunhild. Hier kommt deutsches Essen. Erstens, Brot. Sorry, I have to mention this first because it goes with so many meals. Deutsches Brot is so special. We have something for every taste and preference. Here are some kinds of Brot that you could order in a deutsche Bäckerei. Bauernbrot, Vollkornbrot, Roggenbrot, Weizenbrot. But of course, some people prefer Toastbrot or Knäckebrot.
Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Welches Brot möchtest du lieber? Weizenbrot oder Roggenbrot? Wieso hast du kein Toastbrot? Wie wäre es mit Knäckebrot? Na gut.
Was tun wir auf das Brot? Great with Brot goes Butter, Käse, of which there are several kinds, Aufstrich, of which there are also several kinds, Honig, of which there are, okay, I'm gonna stop this, Marmelade, Schokocreme, oh, of which there are many kinds. The most common one probably being Nutella, which I don't have right now. But who needs Nutella when you have Erdnussbutter? Woo!
Möchtest du Marmelade oder Aufstrich auf dein Knäckebrot? Hast du Erdnussbutter? Ich liebe Erdnussbutter. Ja klar. Tada!
Womit belegst du dein Brot am liebsten? Apart from the toppings I just mentioned, there's also a really weird one which is very popular in Germany. I talk about it here in the video I made about weird things in German supermarkets. Zweitens, Suppen. Brot goes great with soup, like Tomatensuppe, Eintopf, Kürbissuppe.
Wann gibt's Essen? Ich habe Hunger. In einer Stunde. Was gibt's? Kürbissuppe. Oh, wieso mal Suppe? Ich brauche was Festes. Du kannst einen Salat als Vorspeise essen. Bin ich ein Kaninchen? Stell dich nicht so an. Salat ist gesund.
Chunk alert! Stell dich nicht so an literally means don't stand yourself in line like that. It's almost impossible to translate. Either way, it's about telling the other person that they're exaggerating. It's the perfect expression if you want to finish an argument quickly while maintaining the upper hand. To help you place German idioms and use them correctly yourself, have a look in the description. You'll find our free Essential German Chunking Kit, which you can download. Like the name already suggests, it's completely free. Drittens, Fleischgerichte. Very popular Fleischgerichte in Deutschland are Bratkartoffeln mit Speck, Hackbraten, Sauerbraten, which is a Schmorbraten that has been pre-treated for several days in an aspic of vinegar and whatnot. I realize there's a lot of Braten going on in Germany. I never reflected on what a roast land we are. Except of Braten, there's another kind of meat that we cannot live without. Wurst, which reflects itself in all the different meals that have some kind of Wurst in it. Like Weißwurst mit Senf, Bratwurst mit Sauerkraut, Rostbratwürste. If Fleisch isn't really your thing, fear not, there are Alternativen. Viertens, vegetarische Gerichte.
Was isst du da? Vegetarisch gefüllte Paprika mit Reis. Möchtest du probieren? Gerne. Mmh, lecker. Ich wusste gar nicht, dass vegetarisches Essen so gut schmeckt. Ich koche halt mit Liebe.
If you agree that Fleisch is not the best option for every meal of every day, you might want to cook vegetarisch, at least every so often. Apart from Salate, which we will take a closer look at later in the video, you could try these dishes. Vegetarisch gefüllte Paprika, as we've just seen, Kartoffelgratin, Nudelauflauf, Käsespätzle, all of which are classics. Ich habe so Hunger. Können wir uns einen Döner holen? Ich wollte später Käsespätzle kochen. Oh, du immer mit deinen vegetarischen Gerichten. Ich mag halt kein Fleisch. Massentierhaltung ist Tierquälerei, verbraucht zu viele Ressourcen und deutsches Fleisch enthält zu viel Antibiotika, bla bla bla. Genau. Ja, passt. Lass uns Käsespätzle kochen. Na also. Just to clarify the nature of Käsespätzle, it's some kind of noodles with fried Zwiebeln and grated Käse. Quite delicious actually, and the #1 vegetarian alternative in most Bavarian restaurants. At the end of this video, I will share with you a super lecker and vollkommen gesundes vegetarian dish, which is quickly prepared and perfect when you're in a hurry. I guarantee you'll love it. 5. Vegane Gerichte. The following dishes can easily be prepared with pflanzenbasierten Produkten. Spaghetti Arrabbiata, Gemüseeintopf, Semmelknödel, Bratkartoffeln mit Zwiebeln. Und natürlich gibt es noch viel mehr. 6. Internationale Küche.
Was kochst du heute? Ich dachte fernöstlich. Köstlich.
In Germany, we don't just love Bratwurst, Knödel, and sauerkraut. In fact, according to a study from Welt.de, only about 1/3 of all German restaurants actually serve German food. We're into internationale Gerichte as well. That's why we have tons of exotische Restaurants.
Was isst du da?
Das ist Chinesisch.
What do you think our most popular internationale Küche is? Is it A, griechische Küche, or B, indische Küche, or C, chinesische Küche, or D, italienische Küche? Bam, 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 bam. The correct answer is D, italienische Küche. According to several sources that I had the patience to look up, italienische Küche is the most popular one in Germany by far. And that's also my personal impression. Everyone here loves Pasta und Pizza. Was ist deine Lieblingsküche? Schreibe es mir in die Kommentare and I will guess what your Lieblingsgericht is. Personally, I'm a huge fan of äthiopische Küche. Now, apart from Italian Essen, there's another really big fish here in Deutschland. 7. Fast food. According to HelloFresh, on average about 11% of all restaurants in Germany's largest cities serve some kind of fast food. Danke, Amerika. Was gibt's? Hey, ich bin bei McDonald's. Soll ich dir etwas mitbringen? Pommes, ein Milchshake? Nein, danke. Ich esse kein Fast Food. Wie du meinst. Here are some examples for popular German fast food. Döner kebab, delicious invention. Grillhähnchen, which are often offered in street booths so you can smell the chicken from far away. Currywurst mit Pommes frites. Apparently we love Wurst so much we need a fast food version of it. Hamburger, not to confuse with Hamburger, which is somebody who lives in Hamburg. Achtens, Salate. Salads are frisch, gesund und lecker. Like Obstsalat, in which you could put Erdbeeren, Äpfel, Apfelsinen, Bananen, Kiwis, Melonen, Walnüsse, and so on. Honig works great as a dressing. Welches Obst tust du in deinen Obstsalat?
Ihr müsst mehr Obst essen. Die Bananen sind schwarz, die Äpfel verschrumpelt. Lass uns doch einen Obstsalat machen. Hey, du bist gar nicht so dumm.
Personally, mein absoluter Lieblingssalat ist Gnocchi-Salat. Because it's quick, easy, and sehr gesund. And since it actually tastes too good to be true, I feel like I need to share the recipe with you. First, you fry Zwiebeln, Pilze, Käse, and paprika cubes. Then you cut fresh Tomaten, Frühlingslauch, Dill, and Petersilie, and or whatever other lovely herbs you have lying around, and you put it all in a salad bowl. Now it's time for the key ingredient, gnocchi, so you put the gnocchi into the frying pan. While they're getting their share of fry, you can make the dressing, which is made of Honig, Senf, Essig und Olivenöl. Then you put the dressing and the gnocchi into the salad bowl. And like I said, if you have more lovely Kräuter in your garden, feel free to add them. That's only delicious and gesund. I decided to add some Spinat from a balcony plant. Now you squeeze in some fresh Zitronensaft and finish it off with Salz and Pfeffer. Gut vermischen. Tada! Und fertig ist der perfekte Salat. I'm going to eat this delicious salad now. But before I go, promise me that the first restaurant you're gonna visit in Germany will be a German one. We need it. To prepare for that, you could watch this video that I made about German restaurants.